Na nababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and abe kayo po yung baby ko, Luis. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa El Vistra, located dito sa may Angeles City, and we're gonna experience the place, hotel, food, the amenities, and if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go!
Tapos close it. Sige. Okay.
There is the view. Alright, so that was our first experience. Ako, nagustuhan ko doon guys yung salmon with salad. It has very strong flavor para sa akin. And then syempre sa wife ko naman, nagustuhan niya yung crispy pata. For the kids, medyo gusto na rin yung mga crispy pata yung nagustuhan nila doon. And also we also had parang seafood marinara yata siya ganun. So yeah, that was the first experience. So tingnan muna natin yung mga rooms pala. Okay, so tara tingnan natin mga rooms. Alright, so the time is around 7:30 PM and tatapos lang mag-swimming ng mga bata and my wife. It's now time for dinner, so nire-ready na yung table natin. Can't wait to see the food. More food today? Let's go! Take a wrap, yeah. So brother, what do we have on our table, sir?
On our table, syempre meron tayong mga dishes dito. So meron tayong pepper steak with cognac sauce. Meron din tayong Ivan salad.
Ivan salad.
So meron tayong salmon, shrimp, cheese. Yan.
Wow!
Siyempre for the kids naman, meron din tayong mga fried chicken. Meron tayong overload nachos and yung kanilang bacon wrap with mashed potato. Alright, that's it.
Luis, are you ready to eat? Luis! Alright, so last day of our stay dito sa El Vistra, and it's around 9 AM. We're about to get our breakfast, and may mga complimentary po yung mga nagstay dito for the breakfast. Yeah, let's eat! Alright, so that was it. That was our staycation slash relaxation slash chill slash food trip dito po sa El Vistra Hotel sa may Angeles City. So yun guys, if you're interested to, check this out, check out the fan page we're gonna be including below, or the phone number we're gonna be including in this post po, so you can call them as well. There have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.